Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet a twisted headband. This is front side and this is back side. It's very easy to do and only one row is repeated for that, and it has a pretty texture. I made a thin size, but you can make it for each size you want. You can see that there's a twist on the front of the headband, which is placed on the forehead. If you're ready, let's get started. I'll start the headband with a slip knot, then chain 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This is the width of the headband. You can adjust that. For row 1, skip first chain and make a half double crochet in second chain from the hook. Yarn over, insert my hook into the second chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. I've 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, and half double crochet into all of stitches. Okay, row 1 is finished and there are 15 half double crochets. For row 2, chain 1 and turn the work. Skip this chain and in first stitch make a half double crochet and slip stitch into the next stitch. Half double crochet into the next stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch, and repeat this sequence until the end of the row. Okay, this is last stitch and this should be half double crochet. At the end and at the beginning of the row I have a half double crochet. Chain 1 and turn the work. For row 3 I make half double crochet in first stitch of the previous row and make a slip stitch into the next stitch, half double crochet into next stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch, and repeat this sequence until the end. Okay, this is row 3, and for next row chain 1 and turn the work. Again I work 1 half double crochet in first stitch and 1 slip stitch in next stitch. Again 1 half double crochet in next stitch, 1 slip stitch in next stitch, and repeat that. After that, I should repeat this row until the length of the headband reaches the desired size. You should notice that in each row we work one half double crochet in half double crochet of previous row and one slip stitch in slip stitch of previous row, and at the beginning we have one half double crochet, and at the end we have one half double crochet. Repeat this until the end, and then I'll come back. Okay, I made 65 rows. You can measure around of your head to find your number of rows. Now for last row I should work one row of half double crochet. So chain 1, turn the work and make half double crochet in first stitch and into all of the stitches. Okay, the last row is finished. Now cut the yarn and fasten off. And weave through the needle. Okay. Now I'm gonna to join both sides together. So I fold my headband in half and bring the edge together. Fold each edge in half and place two folded edges together and sandwich them together. Now I have 4 pieces, and I want to sew all 4 pieces together. Turn my work. This piece, I sew this with another, and make sure to work through all of the 4 pieces. Okay. Okay, I sew all of 4 pieces together, and now turn the headband inside out, and you can see a twist on front of the headband. Okay, now I weave several stitches and cut the yarn. Okay, the twisted headband is ready. I hope this will be a useful video for you. If you like my videos, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.